So this is Samsung EcoBubble washing machine, and if you see this error code on the display, then it's the drainage issue. So I try to reset, I turn it off, turn back on, nothing happened. And then I check the filter, which which you will find below the washing machine. So that's the white knob, that is for the filter. So to check the filter, what I have done, I had to drain the washing machine out. To drain the washing machine out, you will find the black hose there. There is a black hose with the cap. Pull it out and drain the water on the container. So I use plastic bag to drain the water. Once water was drained, I put the cap back on and unscrew the filter. Just remember, there's some water left on the filter. When you're taking the filter out, you will find some water, leftover water. Just put towel or rag or something to catch the excess water. So here you can see the water is coming out. So just put something down there, like a towel or any cloth, or you can use the Hoover. And once it's clean, put it back. So on this washing machine, the filter was cleaned. I checked the drain hose behind the washing machine. There wasn't any kink, it wasn't damaged, or there wasn't any block. And the issue I had on this washing machine was the drain pump itself. So what I have done, I flipped the washing machine on the side like this. Here you can see this filter is clean. So I flipped the washing machine like this, and here you can see the excess has at the bottom of the washing machine. And this part, this area, is for the drain pump. So I had already part, the part was delivered today, so I had a part. So now what I need to do, I need to take that pump out and put the new back in. I need to replace it with a good one. So there are 3 screws on this motor. So I unscrew all the screws. It's really simple to replace this part. Even you can do it, and you don't need that expensive tool. All you need is the screwdriver. So all the screws are out. I'll wiggle that motor slightly and it will come off easily. Just be careful. There you will find some water left over there. Just put some towel or use the Hoover to catch the water, excess water. So this is out, and you can see the only one thing connected with the pump is the cable, 2 cable. So this thing is not working, so it's not responding, it's faulty. And this is the part I ordered from Amazon, and I think I just paid £15 for this one. And this £15 saved my 600-700 worth of washing machine. So you can see the cable. So take the cable out. So the cable were connected and the motor were back to the position. So all you need to do is to put 3 screws back, and once it's done, it has been replaced. So the drain pump has been replaced. So I have turned the washing machine on now, and let's see how it goes. Now you can see drainage. Okay.